Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdurrahim Chumthanawala. Today let us discuss a very important remedy that I found very useful in our practice. Though not frequently prescribed, but I'll tell you a few important indications which I've seen and given result in my practice. The remedy I'm talking about is one of the tissue salt, that is Kali muraticum. My dear friends, a very important remedy for asthma with bronchial catarrh. A very important symptom, asthmatic with bronchial catarrh. A lot of mucus is there, and that is the first indication of Kali muraticum. And in Kali mur, asthma is with, remember it, asthma with gastric derangement. Now, if you get this symptom, it is very important to understand that Kali mur along with 3-4 remedies make a very important symptom. Whenever if you find a patient asthmatic complaint because of gastric derangement, because of gastric problem, stomach problem, you have to think about first Kali muraticum, Bryannia alba, Nux vomica, Lobelia inflata. Very important remedies. You should remember these 4-5 remedies along with Kali muraticum. So what did I say? Asthma with gastric derangement. As you go further, Kali mur is a very important remedy when the respiration is rattling and wheezing. Wheezing respiration. A very important indication of Kali muraticum. Wheezing and rattling respiration, and exactly opposite is there, the cough is very dry. So both the things are important in Kali mur. Most importantly, you have to understand the wheezing and the rattling respiration. And if you have, remember and listen, if you have cough symptom with affections of the eye, means if the eye is affected with the cough symptom, then Kali muraticum becomes a very important remedy to prescribe. There is only one remedy you should remember with Kali mur, and that is Kali chlor. Again, these two remedies very important for eye affection with cough symptoms. Very important and very PQRS indication of Kali muraticum. Now, how is the cough of Kali mur? Remember, the cough of Kali mur, I told you, it is dry, it is hard, it is hoarse cough. Now, hoarse cough, you must have seen lot of remedies, so you have to remember a lot of remedies also. Hoarse cough in today's practice, world, I get a lot of patients of hoarse cough. So Kali mur, Allium cepa, Aconite, Drosera, Causticum, Carboveg, Bromium. So normally we forget Kali mur and prescribe these polycrest remedies. So if in your case, if these symptoms correspond, do think about Kali mur. Next, in Kali mur, the cough is usually in winter. That's why I've taken this remedy, winter cough. That is Kali mur. Very few symptoms of Kali mur cough are important, but very important if it fits your case. So, winter cough, that is also Kali mur. Now, the expectoration. That is also varieties of expectoration Kali mur. It is grayish, whitish, albuminous, thick and white is also Kali mur. Thick and white. In fact, if you see, if you have a patient which is having only thick and white cough, my dear friends, remember two remedies only, that is Kali muraticum and Natrum muraticum. So a very important indication of Kali mur is expectoration of color of the cough is thick and white. Fit in your mind, it is thick and white. If it is thick and white, do prescribe Kali mur. Now, definitely, if it is thick, the expectoration becomes difficult. And if the expectoration is thick and white, and you cannot think of other remedies, two remedies you have to think. First is Kali mur, second is Natrum mur. And of course, in Kali mur, the cough is very viscid. So this, in short, whatever I have seen in my practice of Kali mur, you have to remember. Though are not used frequently, but if the symptom corresponds, you will see the magical effect of Kali muraticum. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.